first part of this video, we talked about how the new year is bringing in a lot of financial opportunities your way. But with opportunities come risks, right? That's why we already made a video about the industries you should avoid investing in 2025. If you haven't seen it yet, check out by clicking on the I button above. Now that we've covered the risky side of things, let's come to the good part. It's time to explore the industries that could give you big returns in 2025. In this video, we are going to discuss which industries are going to grow in the coming years, which sectors are going to be supported by the government, and what are the best stock options in these sectors. So stick around and watch this video till the end, because who knows, these 10 minutes of your life could 10x your profit in the coming years. Without further ado, let's jump onto the list. First is the healthcare and insurance sector. India's healthcare industry is growing rapidly, driven by a combination of factors that touch our everyday lives. With an aging population and a rise in chronic illnesses, more and more people are seeking better healthcare services. Add to this growing disposable income of Indian families, and it's clear why the demand for healthcare is on the rise. The pandemic also served as a wake-up call, reminding us how crucial it is to have a strong healthcare infrastructure, which have also stimulated significant investments in this sector. The hospital market in India, valued at $98.98 billion in 2023, is set to continue its upward trajectory, with projections indicating a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2032. By 2032, the market is estimated to reach a value of $193.59 billion. What's even more promising is how technology is reshaping this industry. From telemedicine that connects patients with doctors remotely to digital health platforms and electronic medical records, healthcare is becoming smarter and more accessible. The telemedicine market, for instance, is expected to touch $5.4 billion by 2025, growing at an impressive CAGR of 31%. Similarly, AI applications in healthcare are projected to grow at an annual rate of 45%. Health insurance, once considered a luxury by many, is now becoming a household necessity. More people are signing up for policies, and with new providers entering the market, there's a growing range of options tailored to fit different needs. The government has stepped up too, with initiatives like Ayushman Bharat, which aims to provide health insurance to over 100 million people. They've also boosted the healthcare budget, ensuring better access to services and creating exciting opportunities for investors. Looking ahead, there's so much hope in the sector. We're seeing the rise of health tech startups, a stronger focus on mental health, and even a boost in India's role as a global pharmaceutical supplier. Here are a few stocks that you can consider investing in this sector: Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, Divi's Laboratories, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Cipla, Apollo Hospitals Enterprise. Next is IT sector. Mukesh Ambani, during his annual address recently, introduced GeoBrain, a collection of advanced AI tools and applications. These tools aim to bring big changes to key sectors within Reliance Industries, such as energy, textiles, and telecommunications. Ambani explained that by improving GeoBrain with Reliance, the company plans to build a strong AI platform that can later be shared with other businesses. And Reliance is just a small example. India, as the world's most populated country, has huge workforce of around 5 million programmers. This is especially important as AI talent is in short supply globally. A report by NASSCOM and BCG estimates that India's AI services market could grow to $17 billion by 2027, showing the country's potential in this space. Irina Ghosh, the managing director of Microsoft India and South Asia, highlighted how quickly AI is being adopted in the workplace. She shared that India has one of the highest AI adoption rates globally, at 92% amongst knowledge workers. AI is already being used in sectors like banking, healthcare, IT, and the public sector. According to her, this is a great opportunity for organizations to invest in AI tools and employee training to boost efficiency and achieve long-term growth. India's skilled IT workforce makes it a preferred destination for international companies looking to outsource IT work. Global capability centers, GCCs, in India are growing fast, evolving from basic support offices to hubs of innovation. In just the past 2 years, international firms have set up 118 new GCCs in India, bringing the total number to over 1,620. This shows India's growing influence in the global AI and IT industries. Here are a few stocks you can consider investing in for this sector: Reliance Industries, Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, HCL Technologies, Wipro. Real estate sector. With its critical role in the economy, the housing sector is expected to contribute 13% to the national GDP by 2025. reflecting its resilience and potential. Projected to grow into a $1 trillion market by 2030, the sector is evolving in response to demographic shifts, policy reforms, and global trends, as highlighted in the recent CREDAI EY report. In 2024, India's real estate sector attracted $8.8 billion in institutional investments, a significant rise from 5.8 billion in the previous year, according to JLL India. Among the various asset types, the residential segment received the largest share of investments, nearly 50%, followed by office spaces at 28% and warehousing properties at 23%. Government initiatives have also focused on promoting affordable housing. The Affordable Housing Program aims to provide housing for all, particularly targeting the middle and low income segments of the society. Provisions like timely delivery of projects, well-defined carpet areas, and grievance redressal through regulatory authorities in RERA Act have further strengthened the sector. To make this picture more clear, India's burgeoning middle class is another critical driver of housing demand, with approximately 50 million households projected to have annual incomes exceeding 30 lakhs by 2025. This marks a notable shift in housing preferences, with mid-income and premium housing segments taking center stage. The urban home ownership rate is set to increase to 72% by 2025, up from 65% in 2020, supported by affordable financing options and a younger demographic entering the housing segment. Millennials and Gen Z buyers are expected to comprise 60% of new home buyers by 2030. Moreover, real estate companies have also found new ways to raise money. Qualified institutional placements have become a popular option, helping the sector secure around 2.7 billion USD in funding. This shows growing confidence among large investors in the potential of the industry. Another exciting development is the rapid growth of REITs, that is, real estate investment trusts. In 2024, investment in REITs nearly tripled from the previous year, reaching $800 million. And REITs have gained popularity because they offer a stable and profitable way to invest, especially when the demand for office spaces in cities is growing with expansion of IT companies and multinational corporations, as already discussed earlier. These changes are transforming India's real estate sector, making it more attractive for investors and paving the way for future growth. Here are a few stocks you can consider investing in: Indiabulls Real Estate, Oberoi Realty, DCM Shriram, Signature Global. Renewable energy sector. India's renewable energy sector is expanding rapidly, establishing the country as the fourth largest globally in this field. By July 2024, India's renewable energy capacity surpassed 205.38 gigawatts, which includes solar, wind, hydro, and biomass energy. Solar energy in particular has seen exceptional growth, reaching 87.2 gigawatts of installed capacity, a 30-fold increase in just 9 years. For example, 1 gigawatt can power around 7 lakh homes. So 205 gigawatts could power over 143 million homes. That's more than the entire population of some countries. India also ranks 4th in wind energy globally. Now, to make this easy to understand, imagine each wind turbine generates enough power for about 1,000 homes. So with around 47 gigawatt, India could power 47 million homes just from wind energy. The Indian government has played a key role in this growth, introducing initiatives such as the Production Linked Incentive Scheme, or PLI, for high efficiency solar PV modules and the National Green Hydrogen Mission. These efforts have attracted significant investments, with estimates suggesting that the sector will receive around $250 billion, including $15.5 billion for solar PV projects and $2.7 billion for battery manufacturing. In 2022, India achieved nearly 10% growth in renewable energy additions and aims to reach 500 gigawatt of non-fossil fuel energy by 2030. The government has also opened doors for up to 100% foreign direct investments in renewable energy projects, making it easier for international investors to tap into this booming market. As India moves towards embracing sustainable energy, opportunities in this sector continue to grow. Few stocks in this sector that you can consider investing in are NTPC, Websol Energy System, Inox Wind. Automobile sector. The Indian automotive sector witnessed a significant resurgence in the third quarter of 2024, with 32 deals amounting to $1.9 billion across mergers and acquisitions, private equity, IPO, and qualified institutional placement, as per the report by Grant Thornton. India is seeing a significant shift in the way we used to think about vehicles. Connected automotive technology is becoming increasingly common. allowing cars to be linked to the internet. Now, what is automotive technology? Connected automotive technology lets vehicles communicate with internet, other cars, and devices around them to improve safety, navigation, and overall driving experience. Although fully automated, driverless cars aren't on Indian roads just yet. Companies are actively testing these technologies, showcasing the increasing interest in autonomous vehicles in the country. This transformation is fueled by various factors, including the rapid growth of cities, an expanding middle class, and a stronger push towards environmentally friendly transportation options. The Indian government has also been a key player in driving this progress. Initiatives like Make in India and the National Electric Mobility Mission Plan have stimulated investments, research and development, innovation, and infrastructure enhancement for electric vehicles. According to a report, it is estimated that the Indian automotive market size will exceed a CAGR of 8.1% from 2023 to 2030. Furthermore, by 2030, the market is expected to surpass 217.90 billion US dollars, reflecting the industry's resilience and potential for continued expansion. A few stocks you can consider investing in this sector are Maruti Suzuki India, Eicher Motors, Motherson Sumi Systems. January is the perfect time to reflect on the current trends and identify which industries are set to grow in the coming years. These were our predictions for the best stocks and sectors in 2025. Let us know in the comments if we've missed out on any industries or sectors. Now, if you haven't subscribed to Level Up with Hiral yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now, comment your thoughts about this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any videos. Ciao for now.